Are we planning early enough to be ready for retirement before we grow old? I am Lady Kwan, educator, a nurse, a nun, and a mentor. Aging is a natural process that gradually changes our bodies and experiences, shaping us how we live, think, and face life each day. As I reflect on my theory of retirement and role discontinuities, I see retirement as more than just a break from work. It is a powerful life transition. When a person retires, they step away from the rules that have long defined their identity, their purpose, and their daily routines. This loss of familiar rules can bring emotional, social, and even financial challenges, but as a Filipino, I also recognize how deeply our cultural values shape this experience. In our culture, strong family ties, respect for elders, and the spirit of bayanihan provide support during this life change. We do not face retirement alone. Our families, our communities, and our faith play important roles in helping us adjust and find meaning again. That is why I believe that retirement is not an ending but an opportunity. With preparation, support, and warmth of Filipino values, individuals can discover new purpose, rebuild their identity, and continue living with dignity, connection, fulfillment, and graceful aging. My message to every Filipino nurse is simple yet profound. Remember that retirement is not just a moment of ending, but a transition that affects the whole person. Our culture teaches compassion, deep respect for elders, strong family bonds, and the spirit of bayanihan. I hope you carry this with you, that your care, your empathy, and your cultural strength can make retirement not a loss, but a new beginning for every Filipino you serve.
Daghang salamat sa pagpangga sa atong mga kadiwang.